How big of a house do you need? If you're ready to stop pouring money down the drain and start building equity, then maybe it's time to buy your own home. But one of the first questions you'll need to answer is, how big of a house do I need? Now, if you're like most of us, you want a big house. But let's look at that first. Buying a home that is too big or too small can lead to problems down the road. Comment down below to receive your free guide on how big of a house do you need. We'll explain the factors you need to consider based on your specific situation. After you read the guide, and if you have any more questions, we can talk, so make sure you buy the home that's right for you. This is Chuck Wilson with Century 21 Integra. If you have any questions on home ownership, home buying, selling, need referrals to handymen, plumbers, or any of that kind of help, then just message me and then we'll talk.